Secret Android codes for factory tests. Hash number 2663 hash displays touchscreen version. Hash number 2664 hash touchscreen test. Hash number 0 hash LCD test. Hash number 0283 hash packet loopback test. Hash number 0673 hash audio/melody test. Hash number 0289 hash audio/melody test. Hash number 0842 hash vibration test and backlight test device test. Number 0589 hash light sensor test. Hash number 0588 hash proximity sensor test. Hash number 3264 hash RAM version. Number 0782 hash real-time clock test. Number 7353 hash quick test menu.